My name is Ken Van Rooyen. I got my HVAC license a long time ago, 31 years, 3 months, 2 days. Still fun. Working for Andgar, 31 years and 1 month. Oh, I have lots of favorite on the job stories. One of them that kind of sticks out is I was done with the repairs and talking with a customer. He was showing me his place, showed me the boat he was going to throw away. I went, oh, I'll take it. Brought it home, fixed it up, spent hundreds of dollars on it, and ended up giving the boat away. But it's just that kind of interaction of customers. Tips for Andgar customers. Ken's law of contracting. Make it easy for the expensive guy. If you have someone coming over your house, he's going to be charging you, putting in his time. If you have the equipment ready or available, accessible, that really helps us out.